In this assessment, we're asked to predict the product of the following reaction involving a tosylate. Now, if we think about this reaction from the perspective of substitution elimination, we note the following, that here the tosylate is on a primary carbon, so it's going to most likely do an SN2 or E2 reaction. Sodium methoxide, as a strong base / nucleophile, would also want to do the SN2 or E2. And so if I quickly resketch the molecule, we're now ready to solve the problem by recognizing that this good leaving group at a primary carbon with the good nucleophile ethoxide, we can now do an SN2 reaction at that primary carbon. The result of this reaction will be the synthesis of an ether. Just to make sure we have our product correct, let's number our carbons. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's part of the 5-membered ring. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's part of the 5-membered ring. Ethoxide, we'll say it brought along carbon A and carbon B. We have carbon A and carbon B. So the ether should be the product of this reaction.